Alright, so now we're moving our show of piston or cylinder removal out to the actual R-1820 engine from the Radial aircraft, Radial HU-16 Albatross. See, we've gotten a couple of the cylinders off without using grease, but all the rest of them we have no luck with, so we're going to try here on cylinder number 4. Okay, here we are pumping grease into the number 4 cylinder. We're leaking a little bit out of the exhaust port. There's our pump. And when it starts moving, we should see some separation between the housing and the cylinder mounting flange. Alright, so you can see it is coming off. Yep, it is coming off. We had to remove a small stick from the exhaust valve that was preventing the grease from building pressure, but it's definitely working its way off here as we pump grease into the cylinder. Good. Good. Alright. Still coming off. It's a slow process. It's about 5-10 minutes later, but it's still working its way off. You can see the flange is clean free of the engine casing now. And we are
get to a certain point, and I can be ready for it, the judge will fall off the ground.
Alright, so it's been about 15 more minutes, and you can see the piston is coming free of the cylinder skirt. Pretty rusty looking. Yep, popping some grease out of the top. We're still coming out though. We're getting there, but fighting us the whole way. The pump is cavitating. See some of the oil and compression rings of the piston, ones that are here. You see how the cylinder is kind of tilted downward because there's not as much of the piston engaging. Okay, so it's off. It's free now. We got to get it down, I guess, on the ground. So, but we had to hit it with the mallet a little bit. They free it up at the end. You can see how the grease came out on the top when we uncovered it. Go ahead, Gary, put your fingers in there again. So anyway, cleaning the grease off the piston head. And here is the cylinder packed to the gun walls with lithium grease that we were using. So, but it worked. It's off. That's cylinder number 4. You can see the 3 pistons now.